Okay guys, you're on Amazon looking for a small but powerful folding solar panel, and you come across this one right here, advertised at 18 volt 60 watt, includes USB type A type C, 21.2 volt open circuit voltage, short circuit current 3.52 amps, maximum power voltage 18 volts, maximum power current 3.33 amps, and it says efficiency conversion is 24%. Does it actually produce what the manufacturer claims? In this video, you're going to find out. If it does produce what they claim, it was definitely worth the $50 to $55 that I paid for this panel. Looking inside, you can see you have the power block, type C, type A, DC jack. You have a couple of tie downs, a USB adapter cable, DC cable with different jacks included in this package. Right here is the solar panel unfolded, and you can see it is not too big at all. Appears to be well made. It has a nice coating on the front. If rain gets on it, no big deal, just wipe it off. These are monocrystalline cells, and if you look at the rear side, nice support with the elastic strap. What I'm going to do now is leave this in the sun for about 15 minutes. It's going to heat up. When a solar panel heats up, the output generally drops. So I want to make sure this is heated before I do the tests. Okay, solar intensity is 76,500 lux. Let's take a look at open circuit voltage. 22.5. The manufacturer stated 21.2. So that's good, higher than what they stated. 3.28 is the short circuit current. According to the manufacturer, it's 3.52. That's not too far off. We are at 74,000 lux. If we were more towards 80,000 lux, I would be willing to bet it would be right on the money at 3.5 amps. Let's take a look at the USB output. USB outputs. Phone is charging right here. And I'm also going to put this load tester at 3 amps on the type A port. That says 13.5 watts, 4.5 volt, 3 amp. Phone still charging. Everything working good. Right now, cloudy conditions. 14 minutes until full. So it's still able to charge under low light conditions, and that's excellent. And that is it for the testing of this solar panel. I could tell you that the specifications are definitely going to be very close to what the manufacturer stated. Definitely worth the $50-55 that I paid. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to rate, thumbs up, and share. Thanks for watching.